Are you still worried about finding a reliable source factory? Want to explore overseas markets at low cost, but have no way? DHgate Online Sourcing Conference will open a new way for you to connect with B2B procurement, establish an efficient, direct, and transparent B2B procurement matching platform through video conferencing. We meticulously select premium suppliers from various industrial clusters and high-quality overseas buyers to facilitate precise one-to-one or one-to-many matching and real-time negotiations. Our event process is straightforward. Step 1. Before the event, we conduct precise matching based on your requirements. Step 2. During the event, you engage in in-depth discussions with your matched partners in a dedicated meeting room. Step 3. Our platform provides full support throughout to help you efficiently secure collaborations.
Can you ask the factory, if I have to order by container, do they have all the paperwork needed to pass the US custom?
Yes, they do.
Okay, that's also good news.
And if they want, I could unbox those for them, but be honest about it, that it's not a real bag, and then compare it, to a real bag. Do you know what I'm saying? So like, I would need them to send me like one sample. That's, you know what I mean? For me to do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I got it.
And this is actually from Taizhou Charlie Light. Our factory is professional in decoration lights, like for Christmas and for Halloween, and also for different festivals. Our factory had set up more than 30 years. We are a very old factory.
And then also with the suppliers you have today, what's going on with the tariffs and the shipping? Do you guys know how to ship without tariffs hitting us or not? You do? Okay.
Including the shipping? Yeah.
Yes.
We'll share the details to you later after the meeting.
Okay, thank you.
For buyers, you will gain direct access to first-hand pricing and customized services, significantly boosting procurement efficiency and optimizing your supply chain. For suppliers, it enables low-cost, high-efficiency access to overseas targeted buyers, rapid testing of product market response, and the establishment of direct cooperative relationships. Whether you're an overseas buyer seeking premium suppliers or a capable factory looking to expand globally, DHgate Online Sourcing Conference is an opportunity you won't want to miss. Follow us and register the coming online sourcing conference under this link.